Hi guys, welcome to the Twinkle Effect where we all discover the twinkle within us. Today I'm going to talk about my most favorite topic manifestation. If आप भी अपने लाइफ में उस जगह पर हैं जहां पर आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, आपको लग रहा है कि यू हैव ट्राइड एवरीथिंग, यू हैव ट्राइड योर लेवल बेस्ट, स्टिल चीजें वर्कआउट नहीं कर रही है, still you feel stuck in your lives, you feel unworthy, you feel as if कभी ये चीजें ठीक नहीं होंगी, तो my friends, you are at the right. Why? Manifestation is not a tool to get your desired life. Manifestation is a way to change the person who has created reality which you are hating right. So it's a process to change yourself. It's not a process, it's not a tool to get anything you want. You just have to change yourself according to the desire that you want. I'm going to tell you my manifestation journey. I started this journey in 2018, long back. And you know how my life has been right now? I started this journey when I was fighting with my dad. I had PTSD. I didn't had good marks in my class 12. I wasn't aware like मतलब मैं क्या कर रही हूँ और मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ. I was not at all happy with myself. I used to feel unworthy. I used to hate myself. I used to feel like मतलब मेरे साथ कभी कुछ अच्छा हो नहीं सकता है. To a life that I am living today, where I have become an engineer, which I always wanted to. I'm working for an MNC. I am getting back to back promotion. I have become lead with just 4 years of experience. I have written a book which is also available in Amazon. I do open mics in poetry in Bangalore. I have shifted to Bangalore, which I always wanted to. And apart from all these things, the kind of relationships I have, the kind of people I have around me, oh my god, amazing, helpful. I have started loving myself. आई जस्ट लव माई सेल्फ. आज के डेट में कोई भी आके मुझे ये नहीं बता सकता है कि ट्विंकल तो ये अचीव नहीं कर सकती है. आई नो आई हैव दैट मच ऑफ फेथ इन मी. अगर ये चीज मेरे दिमाग में आ गई, ये चीज हो, दुनिया की कोई ताकत मुझे ये बिलीव नहीं करवा सकती है कि ये चीज नहीं हो सकता है. एंड दिस इज समथिंग हैज चेंज्ड इन मी. अर्लियर आई यूज्ड टू थिंक क्या ये मेरे लिए काम करेगा, ओ माय गॉड, लाइक ये काम करेगा, भगवान जी प्लीज प्लीज मुझे ये मिल जाए. टुडे आई ओन एवरी फकिंग थिंग. आई रिमेम्बर जब मैं बचपन में छोटी थी तो पापा ने एक ऐसा डायलॉग बोलते, बिकॉज आई बिलोंग टू अ मिडिल क्लास फैमिली जहाँ पे हमें ये सिखाया जाता है कि पाँव उतना ही फैलाओ जितनी बड़ी चादर हो. आई वॉज द फर्स्ट वन इन माई फैमिली टू टेल माई डैड मेरी चादर रबड़ की है. एंड आई मेड श्योर कि मैं लोगों को दिखाऊं कि मेरी चादर रबड़ की है. एंड गॉड हैज हेल्प मी. दैट्स व्हाई मैनिफेस्टेशन हैज कम इन माय लाइफ. आई एम श्योर, मुझे नहीं पता कि ये कहाँ से आया, क्यों आया, कब आया, बट आई जस्ट हैड दैट बिलीफ कि मैं मीडियोकर चीजों के लिए नहीं बनी हूँ अपने लाइफ में. एंड मुझे कोई भी मीडियोकर चीजें नहीं पसंद आती थी. आई वॉज मेंट फॉर समथिंग वे 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 बिगर than my family could ever imagine, and I have proved them. Today I have amazing relationship with my dad. I love him, he loves. I'm in a amazing friend circle. I have lot of people supporting for me. I have lot of people cheering for me. How did I get there? I just changed my identity. I just changed my identity. Relationship, salary, career, health, money, everything fall into there. I didn't have to do anything else. I just changed my fucking identity. Today anybody is going to come and tell me, okay, this is like हम ये नहीं कर सकते हैं क्योंकि ये हमारे औकात के बाहर है. I love that shit. I just fucking love that shit. You know why? जो भी लोगों के औकात के बाहर होता है वो मेरे औकात का हो. That's the kind of belief that I have created for myself. And if you also want to create the same kind of belief for yourself, you also want to have this fucking self concept for yourself, the day you'll have this self concept for you, चीजें रुक नहीं पाएंगी. No matter it's your SP, no matter your relationship, no matter your career, no matter any kind of desire. And I don't consider these desire as separate ki SP is separate, your career is separate, money is separate. No, I consider everything as desire. Okay, I'll get to my desired life where everything works according to me, my desire. Everything works in my favor. I am universe favorite. The name that I have given to my book, the title that I have given to my book is the God's favorite child, which I believe in it. I know I am that fucking child. If you also want to have this kind of self concept, if you also want to have a life which you can brag about, just give yourself 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, give yourself the time, and trust me, subscribe to this channel, you will become an अमेजिंग ह्यूमन. 2 से 3 महीने में आप खुद को पहचान नहीं पाओगे. आपको ये पता होगा कि आई नो हु आई एम. डोंट टेल मी ये चीजें मेरे लिए वर्कआउट नहीं करेंगी, बिकॉज आई नो ये चीजें मेरे लिए वर्कआउट करेंगी. एंड आई नो आई have them. I have them. Please subscribe to them. Thank you. See you with another video. Bye bye.